Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be talking about anonymous cryptocurrencies. While most cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin are synonymous, there are also some fully anonymous coins. This type of cryptocurrencies work in a similar way as Bitcoin, with the major difference being that users are able to send completely anonymous digital transactions in which the sender and the receiver personal information is never revealed. Though Bitcoin was often referred to as an anonymous digital currency by some users during its early years, that's actually not the case today. It's pseudonymous. When you send a Bitcoin transaction, you are identified via a cryptographic pseudonym. It's also possible for someone's identity to be revealed by tracking previous payments they made or by monitoring their IP address node. This still makes Bitcoin transactions more difficult to trace compared to traditional or credit card, but it's still far from being completely anonymous. The most popular fully anonymous cryptocurrency coins that are actively being traded in high volume include Monero, Bitcoin, Komodo, and Zcash. You can actually get these coins on CoinMarketCap. This makes Bitcoin transactions more difficult to trace compared to traditional payment methods such as a check or a credit card, but it's still far from being completely anonymous. Please follow me on my next video to know the most popular anonymous cryptocurrency. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.